Hey guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamaya.com, and in this tutorial we'll be learning why Twitter is not loading our website thumbnail when we tweet. When we tweet website link, let's say if you're tweeting any kinds of posts, let's say I have this particular post only. When I click tweet, you'll not find any kinds of this image. So I'll delete this off now. I'll say delete. For debugging, first we need to go to carddev.twitter.com/validator, and there you need to paste the link. Okay, so click on preview. You'll see that they are generating the data, and once they generated the data, you'll find unable to render card preview. 4 meta tags were found, but error no card found. So before I start debugging, I need to make some clarification about this video. This video is all about debugging inside a website. I cannot tell you exactly which process is going to fix these errors. So you need to follow one by one steps for everything. First, and one more disclosure I want to tell you to you people. Instead of showing the backend for GoMahamaya.com, I'm showing you the backend for demo.gomahamaya.com. Okay, but process will be same. I'll do the same process with the GoMahamaya, but for the security reason, I'm not showing you the backend for GoMahamaya.com. Okay, now we are inside demo.gomahamaya.com. First, you need to scroll down. Let's say I'm using Yoast plugin, so I'll hover over this and I'll click on social. Okay, this is only for Twitter. I'm not teaching you for the Facebook. Next, we'll click on Twitter, and there you need to enable the Twitter card meta. This is the first step. You have to enable this one, and there you need to select the summary with a large image and click on save change. Okay, if this process fixes, means you are done. You don't need to watch the further video. I'll go back and check again this one. I'll click on preview card. It doesn't fixes our issue. So we'll go back to our website again, and now we need to open our website cPanel to look whether something is wrong inside robot.txt file. So log into your website cPanel, and once you are there inside, you need to click on Files Manager. So if it is a main domain, you'll find inside public_scml. If it is a other domain, the other names you'll find here. So it's my main domain. So I'll click on the public_scml, and inside public_scml, you have to find robot.txt. If it is not there, you have to click on files. You have to enter the name as robots.txt, and you have to click on create new files. And there inside you have to click on edit, or you can double click on that to open and edit that particular file and paste this particular code. So what is there inside? It doesn't allow anyone to move inside. WP admin, WP comment.php, track back, XML pc.php. These are the files allowed. These are the files not allowed. So this is created by me. And next thing, you have to change this particular format which says site map. If you don't trust my code, go to website, any website you trust. Let's say my website only you take, and say /robots.txt. Any website you can follow. Just you need to write robots.txt in the last, and you'll get this particular code. You can match and you can use inside your own websites. Okay, so it will be like helpful for you. Once you are done, click on save change. Now go back again to Twitter validator. This was the second process, and click on preview. Still you'll find no card found. If that fixes your issue, that's fine. You can quit the video. If doesn't, we'll move on to next step. For next step, we'll go back to our website again, and once you are there, you need to upload a feature image there. If it is there, it's fine. If it's not there, you have to upload. If you are failed to find feature image option, you have to click here and you have to enable feature image from this section. Now scroll down, and if you're using Yoast plugin, you have to click on social inside the section which is Yoast SEO. There you'll find Twitter account. Okay, if you'll scroll down, you'll find title, description and Twitter image. You have to upload that particular feature image here. Click on upload, select the file, click on use, and then click on update. This is the third process. Once it's done, go back to your website and this one click preview card. Okay, it still doesn't fix my website issue. Now we are going for fourth process. There inside my website, fourth stage is plugin debugging. Most of the plugin create conflict with your website and they fail for loading mostly. So most of the time we have seen it's because of the caching plugin or minification plugin. So first try to deactivate those plugins. So I'll deactivate auto optimize first. Might be this one for our website. This was the main issue. My website failed to load that particular card. This plugin, or you can check with other caching plugin. I already mentioned most of the time these issue was created by caching plugin. So once it's deactivated, go back to a website, this card.twitter.com, validate and click on preview card. So now you'll see this card loaded successfully. Okay, so this was the issue for my website and this is the fourth problem solving steps. So now I'll go back, and if it doesn't fix, try deactivating other one by one. Means activate this one and then deactivate this one. It doesn't solve your issue, again go one by one. And if auto optimize was the issue, I'll provide you a small code. You can paste inside the functions.php and it will solve your issue without deactivating that particular plugin. You can even connect the plugin author instead of removing that particular plugin, because I don't want anyone to remove that useful caching plugin from their website because of that small issue. Just connect the author, plugin author, and they'll help you for sure. Okay, this was the fourth way to fix the problem, and the fifth way is to change the theme and check with the theme whether the theme has some issue or conflict with the plugin. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.